Oh yeah, that's right. This is SafsLife. Oh yeah, that's right. Oh yeah, this is SafsLife.
Good morning everyone, Assalamu alaikum and welcome to another video. So today it is Saturday and we are just about to have some breakfast. The time is currently 9:04 and we are going to make some fresh pancakes. I thought we had some M&S pancakes left, but turns out we don't. So I'm going to make some pancakes. I've just hung out all of my clothes. Well, these ones need to be hung out in the other room. All the towels to dry. And I need to put on another wash, so I might do that before I start doing the pancakes so that everything just gets done super quick today. In this room, Elisa is vacuuming the floor. Do you like doing that? Make sure you get rid of all of the dirt from the floor, okay? So you need to go in this part here. Look, there's loads of dirt here from yesterday's dinner that we didn't hoover or sweep. Can you come and do it? Make her come over here. Let's see if you can do that. She's got the remote control. Is that cool?
Yeah.
Okay. Which way are you going to make her go?
Yeah.
Turn, 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 turn. A bit more. Oh, that's fine actually, probably. Oh, she's going to pick that sticker up. Keep going. Oh. Where's she going? And then turn her. Wow, good job. Stop! Oh, where's she going? Oh, hello. She loves me, that's why. Just pause. Let's see if I can make her go that way. Ah! Oh, let's go. Oh! She didn't grab that bit.
You would try to get. Can you do that again? Can you do that again?
I'm going to get you. Move that string out of the way. The table's in the way. Okay.
You can't catch a dog.
Let's see if we can get those little bits there.
First, when I want to be captured, you can use her body, and then you can get the remote control, and then try me and then chase me. Okay.
Okay. Oh, she didn't get it.
You can do that to me.
You want me to get you?
You can't catch me, Mom. Mom, you
Get
can't
it?
catch me.
Yay! Okay, let's get Elisa.
You can't get me.
He doesn't like it.
Oh.
Oh, she didn't get that part.
Hey!
Let's let her go home now.
Mom, no.
We gotta make pancakes.
Oh, no.
We are just heading out. We're going to go to SANDWELL Country Park, but first we're going to stop in Tesco to get some bits and bobs like a football, some juice. We've just got to Tesco. We've come to this West Bromwich one. Is it called West Bromwich? I don't even know. I think it's called New Square. It's got a Primark and everything here, but obviously it's not open. Everything is opening on Monday the 12th. Today is the 10th. You got a hippo.
I got that.
You got a hippo. So nice.
Oh.
Okay, we're going to get the pushchair out and then we're going to head into Tesco. Okay. Go on then, can you grab one? We just got to the park. These guys are so excited. So, we're at SANDWELL Country Park, the farm bit. Stop screaming, guys. Should we? Do you want to go to the pond? See those stairs over there? If you go up those stairs, there's a pond. We can go and look at the pond for a few minutes, have a little walk around there, and then we'll come back down, and then we can go to the play area.
Yeah, and first let's get ice cream for play area. But first, let's go to the duck pond, go back down, and then we should go to the ice cream truck, and then go to the park.
Okay, she wants to go to the ice cream van. We will see. It depends on how good you are.
Yeah.
Okay.
What is nice? What is... I see it.
What is it? Wow, ducks.
I knew it was duck.
Wow, look at that.
I knew it was
Okay,
duck.
don't go too close, okay?
I knew it was ducky.
Do you like them?
Whoa! Whoa, look at that light.
Whoa, his head's underneath. What are the white ones called?
I don't know.
They love the ducks, guys. We're just gonna sit here and watch the ducks.
Mommy, I don't want to sit down.
Put it in there, put it in there.
Mama,
What is it?
Mama,
You wanna sit?
yeah. I want to sit down.
Okay, wait. Sit down then.
I want to sit down.
You have to hold her this way so she doesn't fall. So she doesn't fall.
Hi, Daddy. Mama,
Yeah, do you want a snack?
yeah, I want one. Mama, no. No, I want my dad. I want a black cake. I want a stuff. My dad. I want one. Mom, what is the left of that? Do we do that?
I forgot to buy a parking ticket to display on my car. So I just had to rush and do that right now. Come on, be careful, there's cars on this road. We're heading to the play area now, which is going to be fun.
Oh, sorry. Have some ice cream.
Right now? Okay. So we just got some ice creams. What did you get?
Blue.
You got a blue one? His mouth's turning blue.
Yeah.
I also got a flake with strawberry, a flake ice cream with a strawberry sauce all over hands.
Mom, the flake was like the custard one.
Yeah. I got a festival. Stay in one place because you have got stuff. Look at your hand. All over here. All over your tights.
Mom, I don't even got plastic stuff.
Lick around the edge of the bottom because that's where it's all dripping from. Look. Yeah, that's it. Keep going.
Oh no!
Yeah. Ice creams are messy, huh?
Yeah. Ice cream truck bag is so messy.
Yeah. Are you cold?
Mom, are you cold?
Freezing.
Are you freezing? But your whole body's freezing.
Are you cold?
Oh! Mom, look! He's doing that.
Okay.
Mom, you're being naughty.
Alright.
Can you do that right?
No, we're going to pick it up already. I haven't put it on the floor. So we're just sitting, waiting for the kids to finish their ice cream. They've still got some left. Remember, lick around the bottom of the ice cream so it doesn't melt everywhere. We're sitting outside of this thing here. Obviously not going to go on it. I don't think you're allowed to at the moment. There's also a BMX track here which we've got loads of bikers on. What's wrong? You want to get up? Oh, big boy. There we go. Okay?
How's it, Mommy?
Yeah. Sit by Mummy. Yeah, so we are just waiting for these guys to finish and then we're gonna head to the play area. Hopefully it won't be too busy. Wow. You need a wee? Oh my goodness. Right, I don't know what we're gonna do now. Should I put a nappy on you?
No.
You can put the ball down if you want, East. Put it on the floor for a minute.
Mom, you have a go.
Wow.
You have a go.
You want me to have a go?
Yeah. This is here.
Boing, 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 boing. Is that fun?
Yeah.
Do this one.
I know.
Want to go on the dino? Come on then. Come on then. Okay, I'll get the ball. You guys stand on here. Is that fun?
Yeah. I didn't need to dance.
Wow. Ready? Are you gonna go a bit faster? Woo! Is that good? Do you like it on there? Is that nice? Yeah. We have just left the park, guys. They've just had some orange juice, wiped all the yucky off their hands, and we are just heading back. Don't know where we're gonna go now. Probably gonna go get some food. What do you guys want to have for dinner? Chips.
Chips
And chips.
and popcorn chicken.
And popcorn chicken. Okay. We'll see. Anyway, we are just gonna drive back home and see what happens. But catch up with you in a bit. We had such a good time at the park, didn't we? These guys just loved playing. They played for over an hour in the sand, and then we went to get some what did we get?
Candy floss and donuts.
Candy floss and donuts. Yummy, yummy. My camera's gonna die, so I'll see you at home.
God. It's a first day. It was a first day. Great.
Guys, we are on the way home and it is snowing. It's snowing. How good is that timing? Also, it's not as dark as it looks outside. It's just because the clouds are really dark today. And it's snowing. It's snowing. East has fallen asleep and it's snowing. Oh no, oh no. So we are home now. The sleet was crazy outside. We stopped in the car for about 5 minutes just to wait for it to go. The kids have just had an ice cream just to wake Issa up a little bit. I'm about to put another wash on. I don't know if I told you, I did one this morning as well. Yes, I think I did. But I literally forgot about it and then I had to rush to put it out before we went out. And I don't think I filmed that bit. But I'm about to make myself a cardamom coffee because I'm feeling a little bit tired after that little park trip. And yeah, then I'm going to start cooking. I have just got my keema out to defrost. I'm going to be making meatballs tonight. And yeah, I don't really know what I'm doing now. I really don't. My tea towels are dry, so I'm going to fold them up and put them in the drawer. Hey? You what?
There's sand in my toes.
There's sand in your toes?
Yeah.
Oh, lovely. There's sand in her toes. They were playing in the sand part of the park and they had so much fun, didn't you?
Yeah.
Should we take Issa's socks off and see what his toes are like?
Yeah.
Yeah, should we take your socks off? Do you want to put your lollipop stick in the bin? Go and put your lollipop in the bin. Yeah, good job. Wow, he's a good boy. High five. Yeah. Oh, sit on the chair. Come on, let me put you on the chair. Ready? Bump. And let me see your feet. Oh! Can you see that? Look at all the sand that just came out of one shoe.
Look.
And half of it's already fallen on the floor. Oh my gosh, we're gonna need some vacuum power. Now, Elisa's turned the vacuum cleaner on for us. Oh! Why did I just do that again? I literally just like flipped it off his foot, look.
What's that? Can I see, please? Oh.
So much sand in his shoe. Look at that. So I'm gonna go make myself a coffee, sort out the room a little bit, sort out all the stuff that needs to be put away, turn the washing machine on, and then I will be back to show you dinner and things like that. Meatballs with okay, that's enough now, you're gonna break it. So I was gonna do these meatballs with mashed potato, but we had mashed potato yesterday with our chicken steaks, so I decided that we're just gonna have fries. I'm gonna put some fries in with it because having mashed potato 2 days in a row is not it, and plus I don't have enough potatoes anyway. So yeah, so I'm gonna do. Elisa's whinging and whining because she doesn't want to eat meatballs and she doesn't want to try them and she's not gonna like them, that's what she says. But I think she'll love them, right? Do you think you'll love them? Are you gonna like these?
No.
Yes you are.
No.
They're so yummy.
Yummy.
Not yucky, yummy.
No, yucky.
Elisa, see now what? Look what you've done. You're making Isa not like it because you're just pretending that you don't like it and you haven't even tried it. So impossible to feed these children. Dinner is ready, guys. Here's the kids. We don't have any cucumbers or anything that the kids like today, so they don't have any veggies on their plate. Mine has got peas. They will cry if I put peas on their plate, so I'm not going to even bother because I can't be bothered. I really can't be bothered with drama today. I'm just heating up the sauce and then I'm going to put that over the top of mine. So delicious. I think you will. Do you want to try them on camera? Just take a little bite.
Yum! Yummy, Mum. Yummy, Mum.
It's so yummy. What do you think? Do you like it?
It tastes like chicken.
Oh! Try a little bit more then. What do you think? They're tasty, aren't they?
It tastes like chicken.
Expressions are hilarious. I love them. Anyway, just heating up my sauce and then we're going to eat. Do you want to take the plates down to the table?
Mom,
do you want to eat up here or do you want to sit over there?
Mom,
yeah.
It tastes too hot.
It tastes too hot? Yeah. You can wait till it cools down. What's the matter?
But that cut is because of it.
What happened?
Oh yeah, that's right. This is SafsLife. Oh yeah, that's right. Oh yeah, this is SafsLife.